Hello everyone. So in previously I did some of the tutorials on implementing a spline system and this ladder system, but they were in separate projects. Today I'm going to put those two projects into a same project so we can use them together with the third person character in the same project, as you can see in this demonstration. In case you have missed, I have worked on the climbing ladder in this Unreal procedural ladder climbing system, and I have shared how did I implement the zipline system in this how to create ziplines in Unreal Engine video. I'll put both links in the description below. And let's see how to put those two systems together. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Okay, so I got a request to put together this ladder climbing system which works without an issue in that different project, and the zipline system to put into a single project. So this is the ladder climbing system and this is the zipline system. Right, so how to put these two projects together? And I have implemented these two projects using the same default third person character. If I open the third person character in the zipline project, it's other than the default parts, this jump, this is the only thing I have changed here. If there is this zipline is enabled, the capsule goes into this behavior. Basically this part covers how to do the zipline action, and I set this zipline here with the set spline interface, which I have implemented like this PPS zipline rider using that interface. And here when the character collides with this collider, you can see here that a set spline event is called. And for the ladder, same as the zipline, actually not same, it's a little bit different. When the character overlaps with this ladder in here or in from the above with this collider, if there is a ladder, when I press jump, if I have set a ladder variable I have defined here, then I implement this grab ladder, otherwise I'll do just the jumping part. So I need to put these two functions together into the same project. So I think it would be easier for me if I migrate everything related to this ladder into the other project. So first I'll select the ladder object, browse, and migrate to the here also we have this BPI climber, right? Climber also. Let's migrate this into the zipline project. Right, now if I just copy this, I think it should work. No. Okay, we have the ladder now. Right, great. Now I'll place the ladder here let me make some space, otherwise there can be problems if the ladder and the zipline object is overlapped. There could be problems. Right, we need this to be a little higher. Okay, now the ladder is here. Now let's migrate the animations required to make the ladder working. So these are the animations actually. We have these montages: climb up montage, climb down montage. So actually so let's these both systems use the same mannequin, so I should be able to reuse these animations as they are without any migration, without any retargeting. So let's just migrate these animations. I don't think we have to migrate any of the other stuff, only the animations should be enough. Let's try migrating them. Okay, now let's see. Under the animation we have ladder. Let's see if they are working. Yeah, they are working. Climb ladder, climb down. Yeah, everything is there. Okay, great. Now let's migrate the functionality, but it's not, we can't do something like just a simple migration. We will have to re-implement these functions. So first I need this grab ladder function, and also we need to implement this BPI climber. That's the first thing. So let's open add interface. We already have BPI climber because we migrated it before, right? Compile, and in here under interface we have set ladder. So I think now I can copy. Let's try copying this into the zipline character. Right, it works without any issue, but I have to create this variable ladder and on ladder. Compile. Okay, now the jump part. So this is regarding the ziplining. So let me get some space here, and if I can add the ladder part before going to the zipline check, it will be easier. Let's go here. All we do is this. So first we need to implement the grab ladder function. Actually it's a custom event. Can I just copy this? Let's see. Go to zipline and let's try to paste grab ladder. Oh wait, let me just copy this node along with the comment, so it would make things a lot cleaner. Right, grab ladder, all the functions are there. Let's quickly check if the montages are missing. Right, now let me quickly add these montages here. Climbing ladder montage and climbing ladder montage down. Climbing ladder montage down. Right, what else? Climb up. Here we don't have any of the montages. Here we have climbing down montage, that reference is there, and this one, what's the montage we need there? Climbing ladder montage down. Okay, compile. Now what else? I think we have a few more events. We should have another two, like exit ladder and enter ladder. Where are they? Right here we have exit top, exit bottom, and some functions in the event tick if we are on the ladder. Let me collapse this. Into a node. Let's call it if on ladder. Let's copy it, go back to the other project. Do we have event tick here? No, we don't. Let me search. No. Okay, then we can just copy both. Right. Okay, everything is there. Oh wait, we don't have this exit top and exit bottom. If I just copy those two functions as well, everything should be fine. Right, exit top, exit bottom. Let me copy. Alright. Stop panel montage. Do we have a reference here? Okay, here we don't have a reference. Here we have climb into top. Climb into top. Alright, now what was before in red should be correct. Okay, compile. Now one more thing. In the jump, we need to, just like in the other project, in the jump we need to call grab ladder if the ladder has if there is a valid reference in the ladder. So let's do it just like this. If there is no valid reference, we can just continue. Sorry, if there is no valid reference, we can just continue like this. Otherwise we can grab the ladder. Alright, now shall we check? Okay, wait, looks like there is a small issue. Let's try see if we can climb on to the okay, not working as expected. Right, so let's debug this. When we grab the ladder, let's see. Okay, we use this in the ladder. There is this climb down point, and when we start climbing up, there is this character location point. in the ladder, inside the ladder. So let's take a look at where they are. Okay, so the character location is here, and in other project it is, let's see, it's over there. So okay, so we need to fix that. Actually it would be better if we have this as the default value, 47. Let's go to the ladder and select the character location. I'll set it as, instead of -47, I'll set it as +47, and the climb down point, it's -80 here. So let's see what's the value we have. Same as -80. Okay, then I guess we don't need to change that, but here let's try this. Let's alright. Okay, now the character can move down. Right, now let's try to climb up. Alright, everything is working as expected. Right, and also I enabled the capsule visibility just to check if the root motions are working properly. Now that it is working correctly, it's fine. So here, now we can just go down with the zipline and come here, climb up with the ladder, and continue. Alright, so yeah, that's how I would put these two systems together. So thanks for watching. If you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon Club. Link would be in the description below, and also the project files will be available for the download here in the Patreon page. So see you in another episode. Goodbye.